Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, agikoe na mundu uragera kahinda karitu as we speak. Ni Kawajiko MP wa Kiambaa. In fact, in one of the video, nidronia muhujia wa kuma Kiambaa akira Kawajiko dara trend wega na dathiete wega. Video ni gumukira haha. As we speak, Kawajiko anathigo post odo. Age post kedo ado makamwita chief goon. Ado maamwita tu goon. Onekana tu ha ado akiareria ado. Ukona thini wa conversation ndo makimwira, "Hey, negubanga urabanga goons." He's passing kaida karito. And by the way, Kawajiko ashairwo ni by election, na by election ya Olkarau nio igatuma ainoke na ni arainoka. Toroguo tu. Mutumia wake araho ni araririe muthenya wa ira. Na mutumia wake araho ndorikane ni supportaga mundu candidate wa UDA. Ani akiuga atiriri, candidate wa okore Olkarau agwire the flat. Na bathi hena kiuria direyuria. Kama ndi mukira video ici shapasta wako makore Kiambaa na mutumia ucio wa Kiaraho from MP wa Karau ria kwire. Toroguo ndi muthome comment section. Hena kiuria direyuria. Todo mushina ni ajiapishete ta MP wa Olkarau. Thini igo ya campaign todo ni ajiapishete. Aigua atia thaa ici. Ona to video tu akijiapishae. Aigua atia. Na ila kamuni apishirwo. Kedo meragwo. Tiga utenyera odo. The election ndirakinya na ni wambiriria kujiapisha. By the mushina tufisha tu gwe. Ka tu video tu gwe. Augaga atia. Yo mutumia yake araho akiuga maguthire thi flat. Taigwe ure mutumia yake araho augite.
Na ni mwira kurathire na mbere turagwire nginya kamundu karecora. No tutikwete ngoro. Nikio njokete ha kumumiriria. Mundu agwa arogamaga geka atia. Akehura geka atia. Kanyita nje na tutikagwa ringi. Eyo erare trip number 1. Number 2 ni mukono ria tukaikira. Na ndo Olkarau maje njuke ndimugeithie ni mwagaithika. Chokie ngeithi.
Guys, ati matikagwa ringi. Ono matohuwe namo. Todo na 27 todo kione kio githurano kiria main. Makagutha thi ta bomu. Guys, taiguai uria pastor kuma kuria Kiambaa ariti akauga. Ndimuthomere comment section mwene uria andu marira Kawajiko. Yo ni muhujia kuma Kiambaa. Taiguai uria arauga ohoro wigie Kawajiko.
Tomenye mukawa ni urahingirwo kara. Na tutirahoyo hingurwo guku. No mwecimiwa twae guthaitha mwecimiwa witu na atireti wega wa muona. Wene agacambithia Kiambaa ndiratheria bi.
Mutumia mweshimiwa ni acambithia Kiambaa na ni amecambithitie. Ndira tuingia thini wa comment section mwene uria andu mara comment. Ndende muhe example imwe. Kawajiko athia post yo muthenya omothe thini wa page yake. Akauga, good people, habari ya asubuhi. Thini wa comment section kora kana wa blue. Nego na ndore marauga oyo ne nguge. During a break during a breakfast goon show, the chief goon was seen addressing his goons. Hey, Kamwela, we are not fine, chief goon. We are not people, we are hyenas. Gatoto Express, one time is unstoppable. Respectfully addressing hyenas, Mr. Chief Goon, Inspector. Nimwona? Nena mwona andu angi uria maugite. Kwena hadasa, arauga, goonism tuliona. Kazi ya constituency sio favor, excite development, using taxpayers' money. Chief Goon giving instructions. Habari Chief Goon from Kiambaa. Mtoto wa single mother alianza na kuuza matumbo za kuku. Baada ya kupokelewa na wananchi akasahau, akaanza kuwaua. Morning Goon, take them to State House. salamu peleka peleka Sudi Kasongo na kareka na Irumi itakwata guthoma hau uguo. Peter Kago Francis Akago Kawajiko, the chief gun instructor, chief gun master, morning too, chief gun ziko area gani leo? Tutikwenda geithi cia gun leader. In a comment section, any comment Kawajiko arekera thaici. Any post Kawajiko arekera thaici. Comment section ni horo wa gunism. Gun inspector, gun rafaga guns ko umuthi. Damage area Kawajiko ekire. Damage area Kawajiko ekire. Ne damage emwe nene muno. And by the way, he's going home. Asubuhi na mapema. He will not recover. Eko just one time MP. Niki, because they accepted to be used, and after they accepted to be used, mashine makome matuda. That's the reason why they're going home. Remember, this guy, Gachagua amwikire campaign kore Kiaba, yari dito muno. In fact, aluma kiabia kuwa atiriri, uyu ni mwana wa Gachagua. Ati Gachagua acerete naja. If you remember those allegations. In fact, ndoni Gachagua keri horoshio juicy. Ni campaign iri ekiro Korea. And now, the guy was used. And after he was used, he will be dumped. Na do Kiaba mamwikie naja. This person kaida karito muno. And most of these people, they are going home asubuhi na mapema. Politically, they won't survive. Politically, matigashokereria. Niyo wa olimo manani na political career ciao. They are young leaders, vibrant leaders. No niyo wa olimo kwenda gutumirwo manani na their political career, because most of these people, they are young. Niyo magire hii na future politics. Niyo kwenda gutumirwo na metikire gutumirwo. Now they are going home. Political career yao igokera kinya mwisho. And some of these people ni magakwa makigwirwo makesi because of olimo wao. Guys, uone go ikarete maudo maikarete o uko ni go podcast moni manyi Michael inywe munona atia regio gamtia mwathime. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini maudo maikarete ugo maudo matiathira wega Kawajiko. Regio gamatine amarathime guys.